In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to open a hyperlink in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you're trying to open a hyperlink but you are unable in Word, you can see I'm trying to hover over this hyperlink, but if I tap on it, it can't open because this doesn't select the hyperlink to open it. Now, there are two ways to fix this. First, you need to go ahead and press the Control key on your keyboard. You can see the cursor has changed into a hand. If you hover over to any text with a hyperlink and click on it, you will be able to open this link. However, if you don't want to press Control key each and every time, you can go ahead and fix this by going to File here, and then from File, click on Options. Then under Options, go ahead and look for the Advanced option. And under this, look for Editing options, and below it you should see Use Control plus click to follow hyperlink is checked. Go ahead and uncheck this and then click on OK. Now, by doing this, each and every time you hover over any link, you will not need to press the Control key for you to open it. You can simply just open these hyperlinks by just clicking on them like this, and this will go ahead and open the link as you can see it here. So that's how you can fix unable to open hyperlink in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.